If you look at it from a market perspective, has the market changed or had it changed?
Generally speaking, market didn't change. The real change was that our customers suddenly needed to change their way of contacting us. They were suddenly in the difficulties that they didn't have implemented remote working, smart working, and this kind of stuff. So, what was impossible to consider a year ago in a conservative company where all the people always went every day and every morning into the company, suddenly they were asked to do remote and smart working. And that means as well for us it was much more accepted, or they were much more accepting our approaches and our communication strategies.
What would you say are the main positives you can take out of this year for the business and for the industry?
The real important is the pharma industry has learned lessons. They're moving, they're accelerating, they are accepting changes much faster than they have been accepting previously. This is a very positive aspect for companies like us that are leading technology companies with innovative approaches and high flexibility in itself. Um, the importance of understanding that the global markets with the highest cost efficiency is great. So it is the value of locally represented experts, people that can help you when you need them at the time when you need them, in close to your facility, close by as well in electronic media like we're doing. That suddenly represents such a high value that pharmaceutical industry really values that. And then finally, politicians, the politics around healthcare systems and about pharma have changed completely. It was a cost center. Healthcare was a cost center since a year ago. Everybody wanted to reduce healthcare cost. And nowadays they're investing into pharma, they're investing into healthcare. So there is a complete change in mindset in the public and as well in the politicians' minds.